Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. So these are all the makeup brushes that I will be cleaning today. They are filthy dirty, so please don't judge. To be completely honest, I haven't washed them in a long time, and that is bad. Ideally, you're supposed to wash them, I think, once a week or something like that, but no one has time for that, even though you should. So I'll be showing you how to wash them. Everything I used in here is all from the dollar store, so everything's super affordable. So again, I use a bowl, I use this soap, and this one killed 99.9 point bacteria, so that's mainly what you want, is kill all the bacteria from your brushes. I use these little kitchen mats. Again, they're $1. I use some alcohol. I also use a soap. This one is from Nivea. And then I use olive oil. Even this was from the dollar store, so pretty affordable. So yes, I'll be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So the first thing I do is I am gonna put soap. And I am washing a lot of brushes, so I'm gonna add quite a few. Now I'm gonna add a tiny bit of olive oil. It's pretty much conditions your brushes. It makes them nice and soft. So I'm just gonna add a tiny bit. Or I don't know if I mentioned it, but this is what I use for my brushes. And then I always use a bar soap for my beauty blender. I am really good with my beauty blender. I just need to get better with my brushes. So yes, this is all I put. So now I'm gonna add some water. Not too cold, but not too hot. So just in the middle. So I'm gonna put them right on the sink. I have two different ones just so you can pretty much cover the whole sink. So I have a circle one and I have a square one, but they both have the same little texture. Because I hate using my hands. It leaves them all dry and nasty. So now what I do, I get the brushes and I just leave them in here. So just put them in here. Just so they can really absorb the soap. And for my makeup brushes, I pretty much have like all affordable brushes. I don't have anything too crazy. As you can see, the water is already absorbing all the makeup and already cleaning them. So I'm just gonna put as many as I can in here. To leave them here for about 3 to 5 minutes. See, this one's pretty much almost clean.
5 minutes later.
I did forget to mention that I also use a towel. I just like to lay them here so they can dry overnight. So now that they've been here for a few minutes, I'll just grab them. Again, the water not too hot, not too cold. And then I like to go like this in circular motions. So being in here pretty much takes off all the makeup, as you can see from the water. And over here I'm just rinsing them off. Like I mentioned, the olive oil just makes them really soft. So now I go like this and place them right on the towel. And I do that for every single brush. So now for my beauty blender, like I said, I use a bar soap. So I'll just get the bottom wet. My beauty blender. For me, this is just easier since I just always have the bar there. And it literally takes just a few seconds to really deep cleaning it. Just add some more water. And like new. My beauty blender, it's so beat up. I need to get a new one. And that is it for the washing part. So now I'm going to show you guys what I do with the alcohol. So now for the alcohol, I will just get a napkin. I'll pour some of the alcohol in there. And then with this, I like to clean the handles of the brushes. I always like to clean this just to disinfect this as well, since we do grab them by the handle and then, you know, we do touch our faces when we're doing our makeup with our hands. So just go like this. Just like I said, to disinfect them. This literally takes like a minute, well, maybe 2 minutes, since I do have a lot of brushes. And it's just really easy. So I'll just do this for all of my brushes. So now that they're all nice and clean, I'll just leave them here overnight and they should be good to go. So that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.